Good day, sir. I'm Cordero, Alden of Polaris 3A. So today I'm going to discuss about the safety measures to be taken to ensure a safe working environment for using electric arc and gas welding. So first, enumerate proper PPE needed and how to wear them correctly. To ensure our safety while working with electric and gas welding, we should observe complete and correct wearing of personal protective equipment. These are the PPE that we need to secure before performing. First is the welding mask. Always wear welding masks or helmets with side shields. It's very important to protect our eyes from radiation, particles, debris, hot slag, and chemical burns. Also use fire-resistant hood under your helmet to protect the back of your head. Next is ear protection. Ear protection protects you from the noise hazards. It's important to use for fire-resistant ear muffs if there is a risk of sparks or splatter entering the ear. Next is the respirator. Respirators protect you from the fumes oxides that the welding process creates. Your respirator must be suitable for the work you are carrying out. Next is fire protective clothing. It is important to avoid burns. Always avoid clothing with tears, snags, rips, or worn spots that these are easily ignited by sparks. Next is boots. Rubber sole, leather steel toe cap, safety shoes shield you from electric shocks, heat, fire, burns, and falling objects. Next is the gloves. Insulated flame-resistant gloves such as leather and gauntlet gloves. If your hand is wet or sweating, wear rubber gloves inside your welding gloves. Next, enumerate and explain proper procedures on how to prepare the workplace prior to starting electric arc welding. So, before electric arc welding, we need to prepare our workplace to ensure a safety while working. Proper procedure must be observed. These are: first, secure that your working area is well ventilated. When cutting or welding hazardous materials, our workplace must be equipped with exhaust systems. The fumes from your materials are sometimes hazardous, so you should appropriate breathing equipment that is designed to filter specific fumes. Second, also make sure that your workplace is fire safe. You can accomplish this by using metal sheets of fire-resistant curtains as fire barriers. The floor must be concrete or made with other fire-resistant material. Suitable fire extinguishing equipment such as bucket of sand or dry chemical extinguisher, and it should be large enough to cover your work area. Third, next, the operator should be properly dressed and protected from ultraviolet rays, heat, sparks, fumes produced by welding. It is done by wearing his or her personal protective equipment as stated on the proper PPE requirements a while ago. Fourth, keep well-stocked first aid kit. Fifth, always follow the operating or manufacturer's manual in operating an electric arc welding machine. Sixth, ensure a good connection. Make sure that the ground connection has been connected properly in the workpiece. Also, check if the electrical wirings are well insulated, in good condition, and there are no exposed live parts. 7. Secure that all materials needed in the welding operation. Make sure to use proper size and type of electrode for the job. 8. Check whether the electrode holder can clamp the electrode properly and the handle is properly insulated. 9. Set the polarity of the machine that coincides with the polarity of your electrode. And 10. Thoroughly clean the metal piece that you will weld using a wire brush so that you can efficiently establish an arc. And last, explain how to ensure the workplace after completion of electric arc welding. Our job is not done right after we finish electric arc welding. We need to keep in mind the cleanliness and safety of the workplace after we are done of our work. So first, make sure that after working, your equipment is fully turned off and properly stored. You should also double check that the gas cylinder valves are fully closed and safely put away. Second, detach the remaining electrode in the holder and dispose your waste products properly. Throw your electrode butts, metal scraps, and other leftovers of your welding project of appropriate and designed waste container so that we can avoid unwanted accidents. Third, always clean your workplace before leaving and vigilant of smoke, sparks, embers, smoldering, and fire because there are still chances of an errant spark to ignite even after you turned off your machine. Remain in your working area for at least 30 minutes after working. And last, store the tools and that have been used in the work in an orderly and organized manner, and keep your PPE properly and must be kept dry. That's all, sir. Thank you.